Wednesday morning out with my Wednesday group, and such a special moment in my years of dog walking. I don't really know what to say. I think that the video sort of speaks for itself. It's like being part of a train, the shepherd train. Introducing a new dog into this group today, and surprise, surprise, it's another white shepherd. And as this group has come together in this way without really being intended, so it's working out really well. And the newest dog is Lola. Lola is here. Hey Lola. And Lola's on her first walk. We're about half an hour-ish into the walk, and she's just been let off lead. It makes for a interesting dynamic when you've put together a homogenous group of like breed. The personality differences are obvious. They are working really well together. They accepted Lola very well, and she's a well-bonded dog to her owners, so sticking with me at the moment while she finds out what everyone else is up to. Comes Lola, good girl. Comes Bondi, good boy. This is Luna. This is Flynn. This is Walter. Volk. Flynn. Zara. Flynn. Luna. Bondi. It's as I said, unique. And this is the group formed. Get used to it. Watch this group settle in. I won't bring a new dog into this. I'll keep it at 7 for quite a while. There's one vacancy, but I'm quite happy with letting this group settle in to get to know each other. Lola's been off lead the whole time and doing very well and starting to find her way with the dogs. It takes time for relationships to build up. Relationships like the one that Flynn has with Volk. And Flynn's up ahead there at the moment and Volk's here in front of me. It's because Luna's been carrying around a pine cone, and when Luna has a pine cone, Volk sees the pine cone, which causes Walter to say, I'm interested in what you guys are doing. And I do my best to limit play with toys so that we don't get competition for an item. Those thick coats help with the brambles, the thorns, etc. Just that the downside with these long white coats is they pick up all the dead material in their tails, and I'm regularly picking out long bits of blackberry from the back of their coats. See, now it's Flynn who's in the bushes, and Volk wants to get to where he is and doesn't know which way to go. He's getting a bit stuck there. Walter's followed him in, and Flynn will come out. There's Walter, here's Volk. Walter with some stuff in his tail. There's a rabbit. That rabbit would have been flushed out by Flynn being on the inside there somewhere, so it bolted out onto the path. Lola's not sure what to do. There's the rabbit again. And this time Zara did see it. Lola's off after it. So, because they're not yelping, the others aren't chasing it, they hear the crashing, so Lola's clued onto it. Now they're back now. Oh, Lola thought that was quite cool. Here comes Flynn. Good boy, Flynn. Good boy. So the group spread out. Got Luna just ahead. There's Lola. She's now starting to range a little wider as the dogs are exploring different possibilities here in this section of forest. So I'm like seeing that transition. Usually it's Flynn and Volk that lead them out into something further. They've been walking together for a long time and quite avid brothers in the hunt. Here comes Volk. Oh, there's Flynn. Flynn's the dirtiest at the moment. He's gone rough. The shepherd exit. Well done. God, Flynn, you are so dirty. Flynn needs a bath. Inventory time. White shepherd, Lola. Black and tan, Zara. White shepherd, Bondi. Black shepherd, Luna. White shepherd, Walter. White shepherd, Volk. And off-white shepherd, Flynn. Flynn has got a bit of a browny yellow look about him. He's just been so busy. He's standing out in the white glow around me. Temporary, a bit of an off-white, a yellow, an ochre. Arrived at the pond and there's a little nest of shepherds just up ahead.